2:45 on Thursday, 2nd of April 2020, and I'm about to have a snack, an afternoon snack. It's of steamed vegetables. I have carrot, broccoli, and celery steamed for 2 minutes and sprinkled with a tiny bit of my chaat masala, black pepper, parsley leaves, and Italian herbs, and black pepper. Yep. So I'll tell you what it tastes like later once I've finished it. That was delicious. You'll be surprised how something so simple as steamed vegetables can taste so nice. I forgot to mention I also had purple cabbage in there. So 4 vegetables. I had some broccoli, some carrot, some celery, and purple cabbage. And I also forgot to mention that besides the spices, I also had a drizzling of balsamic vinegar, black balsamic vinegar. So that's my snack at almost 3 p.m. on Thursday, 2nd of April 2020.